Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
Okay guys, I will tell you about my main meeting. There are four topics. The first is about myself, my family, my unforgettable moment, and my future. The first, of course, me. Wait. Yeah, the first, of course, me. I'm from Impressive class. Yeah, this is me, the most handsome student in Impressive class. Okay, guys. I have favorite food. They are fast food and mie ayam. And my favorite drink is strawberry juice. And my hobbies are swim and playing games. Okay, guys. I'm from Banyuwangi. The village of my place is Giri. And then the second topic is about my family. They are my family. This is my mother and my father, and this is me, my mother and my twin sister. Like that. Okay. For your information, the picture is taken in our friend hometown in Jember. And the third is my unforgettable moment. Yeah, of course, guys, will be at PEC. It will be my unforgettable moment because then I can know of all of you. And this is the last picture with my tutor. This is Ainun. And this is my last picture with our tutor. So guys, I'm really happy I can study at PEC because that we have opportunity. We are teaching English by our handsome and beautiful teacher. They are Mr. Adil and Mr. Hilda. And I hope when we have graduated from PEC, we can achieve our success. And the last about my future. So guys, the reason I study here because I wanna a ship engineer, ship mechanic. Because that I study here. My future after I graduated from PEC, I will enter Marinir Senior High School. After that, I will be enter a university, and I hope I can will be a ship engineer like that. I think that's all for me. I cannot tell many about myself and my mind. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening, guys.